Hi, I'm Tiki Bar Sam and this is Sam's Tiki Bar. And today I'm going to show you how to make fig infused bourbon. It's really easy, but it's almost like a two-parter for me because I have to start making it and then in about 4 or 5 days it'll be done. So this is the vessel that I'm going to create the fig infused bourbon with. These are dried figs. I cut them in half. It was one bag. You just dump them in. That's it. Then I have a bottle of Old Grandad. And this Old Grandad's 100 proof and it's bonded. I went a little fancier with the Old Grandad just because it was 100 proof and I wanted to. So this is what I'm going to do is I take off the cork and then I pour in the entire bottle of bourbon. And that's it. And now we wait. And then I'm going to show you what we're going to do with it in the next couple of seconds. However, in real time, it's going to be in the next like 4 or 5 days. So here we go. This is the bourbon that's infused with dried figs. I'm about to strain it and then I'm going to put it in a bottle. Hi, and I'm Sam. This is Sam's Tiki Bar and I'm Tiki Bar Sam. This is my buddy Nader.
Hi, how are
And so then, that's Dan. Dan, get out of the shot. No, we're not starting over. This is part of it. So then anyway, what I'm making is an old fashioned for Nader, and this is with the fig infused bourbon that I made the other couple days ago. So this is 2 ounces of fig infused bourbon. And then that's Dan, the nye guy. Yeah, isn't it great? If you want a car, go there. Anyway, so then I also have old-fashioned syrup, okay, which is just maple syrup because I like maple syrup in there. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some of the maple syrup over this ice sphere. And then what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna put in some bitters because I like to put in bitters in my old fashions. And that's it. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it with the spoon. You know what? It froze to the thing. Oh, there it goes. That was funny. So, and then I'm going to give this to Nader to see if he likes it. Okay, Nader, here, you try that. See if you like that old fashioned.
Very good.
You like that?
Excellent.
Oh, cool. Wow. This is my buddy Nader. He owns King David's, and he makes gyros and shawarma.
Well, glad you invited me. This is excellent.
Oh, cool. So that's it. So now I forgot one moment for this, or one added thing that I'd like to do with this. We're going to smoke it. So I have a smoker here, and we're going to put it right there. And then I have this little torch. See? There we go. And now I have these wood chips. And then you put this over top of it. And then we'll see if that adds any flavor to the actual old-fashioned drink.
It was great before. Now it's going to even be better, I think.
Yeah. It smells good. I don't know what type of wood I have in the thing.
Wow.
Doesn't it smell good?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, so here, try it now.
Amazing.
Is it way better?
Wow.
Really?
Yes.
Okay,
Very
cool.
nice.
All right, so this is Tiki Bar Sam, this is Nader, and I hope you guys try to make an old fashioned for your friends at home. Okay, bye.